Hi everybody, let's get into this super simple eye look starting with eyebrows. This is the tool you want to use, one end with the spoolie. So just get those eyebrows together, make sure they're all the hairs are going in the right direction. The other end with the precision brush that you're going to use with the concealer, which I'm using Fenty in Caramel, to just draw around the eyebrow. This doesn't have to be perfect because you are just going to blend it out. And you can use a brush or your fingers. You can already see that shape come through. And then buff it out with a brush. Okay, Asher. Okay, so now we're gonna go in for the eyes. I'm gonna start with the Morphe Eye Primer. I prefer to use this for looks like this that's not really bold because this goes on really sheer. And that's just to keep the eyeshadow from creasing. So now we're gonna go in with Expresso, another matchstick from Fenty for the lid, a nice dark chocolate. And now we're gonna go in for that crease with Truffle, another matchstick from Fenty. I've seriously had these since they came out. That's a good amount left. So now we're just blending that truffle color up into your highbrow concealer, just to make sure there's no weird line. A little extra blending with my favorite blending brush. Okay, so this is the Fenty 2-in-1 Liquid Eye Shimmer in Island Bling. I'm using that darker color first on the inner corners of my lid, and that lighter color on my highbrow to really just make that shimmer pop out. A little mascara and we're done. $5.99 mask time. This mask I got at the convenience store located in my building. It's non-medical, reusable, breathable. It's got a little filter on it, and that's it. This is where we are, folks. A very simple but cute eye look and a cute mask to protect you from the virus. I truly hope this helps my fellow makeup lovers. If this is our new normal, let's make it work. Thanks for watching.